Hi everyone, my name is Tisha T and I am with my lovely student here,
Paula.
Paula is going to teach me the letter sounds. Remember that letter sounds are the sound that the alphabets make. We have A, B, C, D as alphabets, and then we have the sound that the alphabet makes, which is A, B, K. So today, Paula is going to teach me A, B, K, D so that I can learn how to read. Are you ready, Paula?
Yes.
High five. Let's do this.
This is A, B,
B,
D,
D,
E,
You skipped this one. What is this one?
G,
G,
E, J,
J. Sorry?
A,
Mm,
M, O,
O,
R,
R, O,
W,
W,
Y,
Y. Teacher, I didn't get it. I didn't get it. You need to teach me again. I didn't get it.
This is
A,
B,
B,
D,
D,
E, G,
G,
E,
E,
J,
J,
M, O,
O,
R,
R,
W, Y.
Y. I have a question.
Yes.
Why does this two sounds have the same sound? Is there a way I can differentiate between the two? Is there a difference between the two sounds?
Yes.
What's the difference? Can you stand here and show me what's the difference?
The mouth movement.
The mouth movement.
Yes.
So how does the first one, how does your mouth move? You can just,
Bite.
and then the other one?
Oh.
The other one? The first one? The other one?
Oh.
Okay, I got it. It's A and O. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yay! High five! Thank you so much for watching in. It has been a lovely time with teacher Paula.